Remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Hello kids. Today, Amy the monkey is going to teach us about healthy habits.
Hi everyone. I'm Amy, and I'm excited to share some healthy tips with you, and I can't wait to show you how fun it is to stay healthy. I love eating fruits and vegetables. They give me energy and keep me strong. Did you know that eating different colors of fruits and veggies is good for you? Each color has special vitamins and nutrients. Water helps our bodies stay cool and keeps our brains working well. I like to drink water after playing to stay refreshed. Running, jumping, and playing games make our hearts strong. And it's great to play with friends. It makes exercising even more fun. I always go to bed early so I can wake up feeling happy and rested. Sleep helps our bodies grow and our minds stay sharp. I brush my teeth twice a day to keep my smile bright. And I always brush for 2 minutes to make sure they're really clean. Washing our body helps keep germs away. Always use soap and water. Thanks for learning with us. Remember to eat well, play, and take care of yourself every day. And don't forget to share these healthy habits with your family and friends. Bye for now.